All right, wonderful people, I welcome you back once again to the GeForce IT services on YouTube. Please, in this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can be able to have access to all the data bundle packages on the Gracedata.company.site, because I understand that some people, after the registration, the site is not able to open for them automatically due to network challenges. So in this video, I'll show you how you can be able to have access to the available packages on the website even if the site didn't open for you automatically. So please make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Many people were not able to watch the previous video from the beginning to the end before they registered on the Gracedata.company.site website, so they are facing challenges day in, day out. Please make sure you watch this video on how to have access to the available data bundle packages on the Gracedata.company.site, so that you will not face any challenge again, so that you will not say that the GeForce IT service is a scam again. All right, so before we delve right into this particular lesson, I want everybody that is watching this video to subscribe to this channel. If you are yet to register on the Gracedata.company.site, there is a good news here. The site was recently updated and the prices of the various packages were reduced. The 1 gig like this was reduced to 4 cedis 80 pesos. So as we are moving on in this lesson, you will be able to see the current prices of the various packages that they have on the Gracedata.company website. All right, so without wasting much time, let's begin this lesson by launching our Google Chrome browser. That is what I'm using on my phone, so that is what I'm going to use. Please make sure you watch the video from the beginning to the end once again, and make sure that you turn on the notification button for all, you subscribe to this channel, you share this video with your friends and family members to also benefit from this lesson, so that they can also become data bundle agents. All right, so I quickly launch my Google Chrome browser. All right, now before I type something here, please, I want to make this thing clear to everybody. When you register on the Gracedata.company.site, immediately you pay your registration fee, Paystack will send you a payment receipt. I take it again. Immediately you send your registration fee on the Gracedata.company.site, Paystack will send you a payment receipt. Paystack will send you a payment receipt. And on that payment receipt, there is a special link there. There is an agent link there. If you have registered and the site is not able to open for you automatically due to network challenges, there will be a special link on the Paystack receipt. So please, those who have registered and they are not able to have access to the site, please go back and check your Paystack payment receipt, the registration fee that you paid. Check the Paystack payment receipt. There is a link there. There is something that I use this link to have access to our website to see the available packages. But in this video, I'm going to show it to you again, because some people are thinking that the Gracedata.company.site is a scam. It is never a scam. And please note that the GeForce IT service is a registered business. There is no way we can give you fake things on this channel. All right, so let me quickly use my special link, because I'm also registered on the Gracedata.company.site. So let me use my link and I'll show you how you can be able to have access to the available packages there. All right, so I type my URL, my special link. Okay, so when you use that registered link, the link is not a public link, that is why you cannot see it. But those who have registered, please contact me on 0540620528 or the numbers appearing on your screens here, so that I can give you the link and you'll be able to have access to the various packages. Now, when you use the registered link, or when the site redirects itself to this part, the registered section for you, this is what you see. These are the things that you see on the site here. Please, have you seen that there is no package here? There is no package here. So this is how you are going to locate the packages available on this portal. So you come to this menu icon here. You click on that menu icon there. When you click on it, these are the things that you see. The first thing that you see is home. The second one that you see is store. The third one that you see is AFA registration. In our previous video on the Gracedata.company, the AFA registration was not here. It was only store and contact us. But now the site was recently updated and they have home here, they have store, and they have AFA registration, and the last one is contact us. Now immediately you come to this site, click on store. When you click on store, it will take you to the available packages. So when you click on store, this is what you see. These are the available packages on this website. So please, the Gracedata.company.site is never a scam. Now let's look at the revised packages available on the site. So let's click on 1 gig to 5 gig there. When you click on it, with a good internet connection, it should be able to open for you. Now when you check this, in our previous lessons, the 1 gig was 5 cedis, but it was recently reduced to 4 cedis 80 pesos, and it will soon be reduced again. In our previous lesson too, the 2 gig here was 10 cedis, but now it's 9 cedis 50 pesos. Then the 3 gig, everything was reduced here. Just recently, the site was updated. So guys, this is how you locate the available packages on the Gracedata.company.site. So please note that the GeForce IT service is not a scam. The Gracedata.company.site is not a scam. Note also that the GeForce IT service is a registered business, so we don't involve ourselves into any fraudulent activity. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any challenge, if you face any problem, please contact me on 0540620528, or you contact me on the numbers appearing on the screen for more explanation, rather than to be saying the GeForce IT service is a scam. So thank you very much for watching this video. May God bless you. Let's meet in our next lesson. Bye bye.